to make your Bitmoji classroom into a Google Sites, you'll of course make your Bitmoji classroom in Google Slides. To put it on as a website, you just go to sites.google.com and you're logged in as your user. Then you just open up a blank, and it is a little formulaic as Google is, which is fine. So you just you can't get rid of this banner up here, so just title it something that really makes sense. Something like that. You can change the image. Google has some lovely little backgrounds here that you can change into, or you can upload your own. You can add that if you want. You can have it be the cover or just a little smaller like that. Then getting straight to the heart of this tutorial, you scroll down here on the insert. So you're at insert here and you just scroll down to slides. Now I don't have my Bitmoji ready yet or even started for that matter. So somebody shared this one with me and I hope it's okay that I use theirs just for tutorial purposes. It's amazing. So I just drag it and make it bigger, nice and big, so it is like a big primary thing. And then that's it. That's all you have to do. You click publish and you would create a little website, and if it's something really yeah, see, that one's taken. So it's got to be something that is unique and probably something that you want to be able to share with your students. So not too unique. So something that makes sense. I'm just going to preview that for you. This is your little preview button. And as you can see here, you just scroll down and you can click around and do all of this awesome things that you've done with your Bitmoji. This wonderful, amazing person here has really spent a lot of time with theirs, and it's fantastic. So once you have it all figured out and done in your Google slide, making it a website, super easy. So I hope this helps y'all. Thanks.